considering a career in technology and manufacturing close to home? Then consider joining our team at Dyco Incorporated, located just off Interstate 80 at the Berwick exit in Bloomsburg. Dyco is a world leader in design, fabrication, and installation of advanced systems to move and manage plastic bottles. Start your career as a machinist, equipment installer, electrician, or any one of the many positions Dyco offers at all levels of experience. Don't have experience? Don't worry. Anyone with drive and dedication to learning can become a successful member of the Dyco team. Dyco's manufacturing team makes all of the parts that make up our automated equipment. This requires operators for machines like a CNC mill, lathe, press brake, laser, or other manual machines. It takes a detail-oriented worker to ensure Dyco's parts are properly cut, tapped, bent, and drilled. The laser operator's duties include loading sheet metal into the machine by hand or by crane. The machine will cut the precise pieces from the metal and the operator will then unload them. When operating the press brake, the operator will load the program and bend the part to the program. The manual mill drill operator will be responsible for simpler parts as per the blueprints and also tapping parts when needed. As a CNC mill and lathe operator, you will be responsible for loading steel, aluminum, and plastic blocks, verifying parts, and comparing them to the prints for accuracy. One of the last steps in Dyco's manufacturing process is welding, where you will need to TIG weld or MIG weld depending on the piece of equipment. Some of Dyco's parts require paint. A painter at Dyco will wipe down parts and ensure the part gets an even coat with a paint sprayer. If you choose to work in Dyco's parts room, you'll be responsible for sorting and organizing upcoming work orders to make sure we have all the parts needed for a project. With a career in mechanical assembly, you will build machines as well as robotic and conveyor systems. These machines and systems are assembled right at Dyco's headquarters in Bloomsburg, Pennsylvania, before they are tested and shipped to the customer's facility. As an electrical assembler, you'll be wiring all new equipment, from cutting electrical boxes to wiring the panel according to the electrical schematic. Dyco has a team of dedicated service technicians who get the opportunity to travel across the country while utilizing their mechanical ability to install equipment at customer facilities. A Dyco service technician should provide excellent customer service. Dyco has been providing local career opportunities since 1973 and promotes a friendly, family-like environment with great salaries and benefits. In fact, many of our employees have been with the company for decades. If you are interested in joining the team at Dyco, visit www.dyco-inc.com/careers or send your resume to careers@dyco-inc.com.